This video tutorial is going to explore what Angry Birds is and an overview of the Angry Birds game. Angry Birds is a video game where players use a slingshot to launch birds at pigs stationed on or in different structures with an aim of destroying all the pigs on the playing field. As players advance through the game, new types of birds become available, some with special abilities that can be activated by the player. It was first launched for Apple iOS. The survival of the Angry Birds is at stake. They dish out revenge on the green pigs who stole the birds' eggs. When playing the game, you use the unique destructive powers of the Angry Birds to lay waste to the pigs' equipped castles. Angry Birds was initially made for iOS, but the game is now available for PC. The Angry Birds game has 10 mini episodes, with the initial episode available to play for free. When you purchase the full game, you can play up to 30 levels split into 10 mini episodes. Download the game and install it on your iPhone or PC to begin playing. The free version of Angry Birds contains third-party advertisements. The game may also require internet connectivity. In this video, we are going to review Angry Birds' free episode. Open the Angry Birds game once you install it. Click play to begin. You may choose to activate the full version by clicking the button below the window. The first episode, Poached Eggs, is a free episode. You can use this episode to evaluate the game. Learn how to play the game by reviewing the first episode. To obtain scores, pull backwards with the Angry Bird placed in the slingshot, targeting on the pigs' castles ahead. Each time you successfully hit or break into the pigs' protected castles, you earn points. You will move on to a new level each time you successfully break into the pigs' fortified castles. Angry Birds is a simple and exciting game. The game is available online and can be downloaded for free. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Leave comments and ask your questions by our email feedback@howtech.tv. That was a HowTech.tv tutorial. Thank you for watching.